Assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu. Maanta waxaa inala joogay stuudiyaheena Solis TV, one and only DJ Faws. DJ, please tell us about you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magacayga waa Fawzi Haji. Magacan ku dheerahayna waxaa waye DJ Fawzi, first international Somali female DJ. I'm a DJ, I'm a rapper, I'm a music producer. Hooyo waan ahay, laba caruur aan leeyahay. I'm a community leader. I have a lot of things that I'm doing, inshallah. So that's the intro for now.
All right, DJ, we know that you are working on some projects these days. Tell me about them projects.
The project that I'm currently working on is called Dear Alcohol. The reason why the project is called Dear Alcohol is my personal story and my journey with how alcohol has affected me and how the process that I'm taking to come out of alcoholism and healing myself, telling my story, because I feel like there's a lot of shame and blame in our community when it comes to drugs and alcohol, and especially towards women. So I feel like aniga inaan gabdhaha u istaago waayo, aan gabdhaha u istaaga baatigayn baa la dhahan. That's why I gotta tell my story so we can come back and inshallah help caruurteena iyo gabdhaha dhibka haysto.
Do you get any help from the Somali community?
I think it's 50-50. Alhamdulillah, sometimes I get support, sometimes I don't get support, but I feel like as long as aniga waxiidan jidkayga si fiican u socdo aan caruurta la shaqeeyo iyo gabdhahan la shaqeeyo is going to be fine inshallah. And hopefully sooner or later we can come together as the community and help each other.
Well, as you know, behind every successful woman, there is somebody. Who is behind you?
My two boys, Jibril and Zakaria. They're my number one supporters. And then I have a lot of amazing people. Maalinkayga ii joogo, caruurteyda ii joogo, baatigangs ii joogaan. So I have a lot of amazing people. Although sometimes they work behind the scenes, lama arko. Kuwana wala arko, kuwana lama arko.
Stay tuned to be continued. Thank you, DJ.
Yes, sir.